வணக்கம் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். இப்போ நம்ம 8th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட்குரிய குவிஸ் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லெசன் அட்வென்ட் ஆஃப் த யூரோப்பியன்ஸ் இங்கிலீஷ் மீடியம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லெசன் பார்ப்போம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சூஸ் த அரைவல் ஆஃப் யூரோப்பியன்ஸ் இன் இந்தியன் ஹிஸ்ட்ரி. த ஆன்சர் இஸ் medieval period. B. Second one, India's modern history begins dash century, 18th century. Third one, collection of administrative records are preserved in archives. Fourth one, according to historians, history is written mainly on the basis of, answer is sources. Fifth one, the writing of Indian history was affected by British. Fill in the blanks to given notes. Where government records and documents are preserved, protected. Answer is archives. Second one, dash helped Europeans to know about the India's wealth. Answer is written sources. Third one, Fort St. George is considered as a material sources. Fourth one, Asia's largest archives, Delhi. Fifth one, the oldest archives in South India is located Chennai. Look at the picture, answer the question. A. He was a French translator in Pondicherry. Answer is Anandarangam Pillai. His contribution in Indian history, diaries. Fill in the blanks. Indian sources, example, uses. Written sources, diaries, pamphlets, autobiography and government records, government documents to know the political society and the economic cultural activities of people of past. Second one, archives, paintings and statues, for example, St. George Fort and David Fort and India Gate. The achievement of national leaders and also known as the art and technology of Indian architecture. Sort out the events. Arrange the orders. First one, second, when Elizabeth of England granted permission to the London Chamber of Commerce to trade with the East Indians. That year is 1600. Second one, Sailor William Hawkins asked Jahangir for permission to set up their trading centers in Surat, but permission was not granted. That year is 1608. Third one, English General Thomas Pest defeats Portuguese Navy in the battle near Surat. Last one, Jahangir allowed the British to set up a trading centers at Surat in the year 1613. Observe the picture, answer the question. The oldest name of the building is White Town. Second one, the building was built by which European country? Answer is British. During which occasions the chief minister will march in the buildings and hosting the flags during the time of the Independence Day. Choose the correct answer. 13. In 1935, it was formally set up and was empowered to issue government of Indian currency. Answer is Reserve Bank. Second one, it is also a proof of the art and technology of Indian architecture. This is the answer, Delhi. Third one, he took a great effort to issue the Madras records and then he opened a new chapter in the history of Tamil Nadu archives. Answer is Dodwell. Fourth one, his diaries contain the relationship between India and French. He was only the written secular record during that period. Answer, Anandarangam. Read the paragraph and answer the question. First one, a Masulipattnam trading factory established by the British on the east coast of India. Second, the island of Bombay place obtained by marriage relationship of Portuguese and England. Third one, St. George Fort was built in the city of present capital of Tamil Nadu. Fourth one, the English merchant obtained the place of Madras from the ruler of Chandragiri. The European in the table are marked. European countries are என்னென்ன யூரோப்பியன் கண்ட்ரி இருக்குன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. என்னென்ன யூரோப்பியன் கண்ட்ரினா பிரிட்டிஷ், டச், ஃப்ரெஞ்ச், டேனிஷ், Spaniards, Italians and Germans. Thank you friends. இது உங்களுக்கு உபயோகமாக இருந்திருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். அடுத்தடுத்த குவிஸ் அடுத்தடுத்த நாட்களில் பார்ப்போம். தேங்க்யூ.